I'm a savage.
We will have started.
Oh.
Please act normal,
Please
please.
cut करती हो please हट
Okay, so today we'll be doing a few questions based on getting cheesy with my just turned teenager brother. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, I am Mehul Sapra, brother of Arushi Bindal.
And just getting ready to get screwed. Not really, but we'll see.
I don't
Okay?
care.
No, he doesn't care. Let's see. Okay, so who's gonna start? You start. Okay, these are the questions. Chits over here, and we're gonna answer them.
I'll take this one.
Okay, let's see. Jaldi khol,
अरे खोल.
please. अरे जल्दी कर.
Okay. If one food item you could buy and eat endless, what it would be?
If okay, I'll just read it out. Read loudly, okay? If one food item you could buy and eat endlessly, what would it be? What would it be? Sorry. Okay, I want you to answer this, but don't say chicken, please.
Oh.
Except chicken, anything.
It would be a pizza.
Pizza.
Yes.
Ah, not bad. Okay. Would you rather give a second chance to someone you're dating, or move on immediately? Okay, this is the question. I've read it out anyway. So it actually depends. Or okay, I've kept questions like this because it is getting cheesy with my teenager brother.
Even I don't know what she was saying.
You can speak a little loudly, Mehul, please. Okay, so giving a second chance to someone you're dating, which means you are in a relationship and because of something you're not there in a relationship right now.
Yes.
But somebody was somebody's fault because of somebody's
Yes.
fault. So in this case, the question is the person is it's my partner's fault. So would I give him a second chance or move on immediately? So it depends on the kind of relationship, but yeah, if it would have been like a long relationship or something, and see, I am a person who gives in 100%, so it still kind of depends. But moving on immediately is not my thing. I mean, it doesn't really happen that easily with me. So,
Okay.
but that doesn't acceptance is not passiveness. Okay, it's
I'm taking
so
this
anyway.
one.
Okay, yeah, fine.
Pick your
Least favorite subject.
and what is the one word you would say to it?
Okay, yeah. What is that one word you would say to it?
Can I say it in Hindi?
Even if it is like okay, don't say the word. Just say, give me a hint, and I'll say if I can put it out or not. You can be a little more intense, Mehul. It's okay. He's saying bakwas. It's okay.
I can be a little more intense.
Yeah, you can be, but don't say the word if it's like a
Oh.
that way.
Okay. It's crazy.
Fine, forget it.
Oh, thanks.
I thought you would say like what is your favorite food? I think he also knows it, but I am sabjiyan nahi. Yeah, but it's not like that I don't like to eat vegetables, but it's not fool patti. You don't eat fool patti on daily basis. Do I pluck flowers and serve it to you? Idiot. No. Favorite food on daily basis, it's going to be ghar ka khana for sure, and I really like ghar ka whole the platter, Indian platter. And if you talk about junk, then it's going to be pizza. Pizza.
Let's
Pizza.
say you wanna eat the whole pizza.
I can eat the whole pizza. You know, the last time we cooked pizza at home, I ate it. I ate more than one pizza.
You like half pizza.
Are you mad? Why are you lying?
Sasti population.
What? So we made pizza during quarantine, and
and she got less cheese.
No. Yeah, maybe. But it was lesser than him because I didn't want to load it with so much cheese completely. But
Because
I
she's
ate.
already a cheese block.
I'll take that as a compliment. So, I ate more than one pizza. One was wheat based, and the half one was all flour, all purpose flour, maida. So I ate that. Yeah. So he knows it. See, he was lying all this while, idiot. Anyway, continue.
I'm taking this bit. Oh. Are you a person who believes in actions or words?
Over words.
Or do you think words matter more than actions?
So
I don't care.
what is? It's not about you caring. Do you believe in actions or words? Like which is
Words,
the one?
words.
Words. Why? I mean, it's your choice, but still.
It's my choice. I did so well. It's my choice.
Nice, nice. Okay, my turn. Okay.
Do I after every 2
Can you
minutes?
please be normal?
No.
Based on what qualities do you like a boy or a girl? Like girl and
You prepared all these questions for me?
no, we both were gonna answer it. So the qualities I look for in a boy. Mehul, I want him to guess. What do you think I would qualities I would look for in a boy?
Who would click pictures of you the whole day?
Okay. Not about clicking pictures, but okay, I'll answer
Socially
that.
active on Instagram.
No, Mehul. If you know, I am anti-social kind of. I just like to post on Insta, but I hardly talk to anybody. So, qualities would be honest.
Okay. Which I'm not, actually.
Why are you even comparing or putting yourself in that position? See, he told he's not honest, idiot. And the person should be honest, the guy should be honest. Else, something else you can guess?
Graceful.
Graceful?
Yeah, I just know that word.
Oh, he just knows that. Honest.
Friendly. Friendly.
Friendly. No, but I think consider me as a priority. I think that's important because I have been in places where I have felt that
That's my turn.
also have a good heart,
First thing you will do
good intentions,
once you turn 18.
and good vibes. Vibes matter the most. Positive vibes
Can I
and
answer my question?
wait, let me finish it. So good vibes.
I'll just wait.
Good intentions and good vibes, positivity, it's the most important aspect. So yeah.
Okay. First thing.
Someone you feel safe with.
Can I speak?
Sorry.
First thing you will do once you turn 18.
Yeah, what would you
I
do?
will apply for my driving license.
That's great, but that doesn't just mean the day you turn 18 you will call for the driving license. You want to do only that or something
Now I
else?
will go on a field trip with my friends.
Field trip with my friends, that's nice. Okay, what was it? What is your worst nightmare? My worst nightmare would be, I think, all my dreams, which include like all my dreams, basically the dreams which are very horrifying, and the ones related to ghosts. I think everybody has seen them, but I think
Yes,
those turning
yes.
into reality, and also like World War, which is sort of going on, but furthermore threat to the survival or the existence of human beings, irrespective of the situation now. If it gets worse, that would be the worst nightmare, I think, because people are already struggling to survive and their existence is already difficult. So I just want everybody to stay safe and healthy and happy wherever they are.
My last shit. Pick your favorite dessert?
What's
Okay.
his favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is vanilla ice cream with gulab jamun. It's
Yeah.
a very nice combination.
It's actually a very nice combination because I think vanilla ice cream goes with everything. We talk about brownies, we talk about mango, and if you haven't really had gulab jamun with vanilla ice cream, you're really missing on something. To be
Yes.
honest, it's really amazing. And also like a very gooey, gooey and soft chocolate cookie with vanilla ice cream. I think I really like that combination as well. Yeah, coffee. It's hot chocolate or coffee. It says do the savage dance. It's a dare, but I haven't really practiced. I have not learnt it actually. So
I haven't got that there.
okay, I'll just do that one. What do you, I have seen it so many times, watched it, but not learned it. I didn't want to learn it actually. So they just do. I'm a savage, something classy, bougie. What's happening? What's happening? I don't know how it goes. I'm a savage.
Okay. So I got the payment of this much only, so I'm leaving.
I'm not paying him. Nobody's paying him. Nobody ever. Okay, if you do such kind of stuff. Thanks for being with me. Bye bye. So the moment I hug him once or like give him a kiss on his cheeks, the next moment I slap him and I kick him or like push him. Oh, he's gone. Thank you.